How's you going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's workshop for another little piece and part on our Honda ATV maintenance. What we're going to do on this one is we're going to check the oil levels in the front and the rear differential. It's good to check those at least once a year, make sure there's no water getting in there, anything like that, any kind of discoloration. Okay, so that's what we're going to try and do now. So we're checking the rear end differential oil right now. And here's a little fill cap here on the rear end differential, of course. There's also a bolt over here, a plug. You can't see it because of the camera angle, but that's supposed to be the level that we're at. But I'm going to just take this top cap off just to see if I can get an indication of what condition the oil is in. So we're going to try and take that off, and that's I think that says 17 mil. Now, one time before I was doing this and I broke the cap, so I didn't want to break it again this time, so we'll just take it easy. And I like to clean that up a little bit, and it's not really clean, but I think clean enough to see what's going on here. So if we look in there, I'm looking but you can't see, there's a little bit of dirt in there, but really it's not bad. It's not showing, the thing that I like, it's not showing any signs of water. No, none. So now what I'm going to do is, I think that's a 10 mil bolt on the side here. I'm going to get a 10 mil wrench and just take that bolt out and check, see what the level is. Okay, so with the 10 mil socket, just break this free here. I had that pretty tight. So if you can see right there, at the end of my finger, you see there's oil dripping out of that weep hole. So that means that the level is right. And there's no signs of gray or water, so I'm liking that a lot. So there's some of the transmission, the differential oil dripping out. It's a heavyweight oil, and it's nice. It's not real dirty. Well, actually it's not dirty at all, so that's what I like to see. So I'm going to put this drain plug back in, or this I guess it's a level check plug. So snug that up. There's a little O-ring on this inspection cover, and the O-ring looks in good shape, so I'll put that back on there. And you have to be, these are just cast aluminum, so you have to be very careful not to cross thread them. There you go. And that's what all there is to that. The front end is exactly the same. It's harder to see the front end, so unless I run into problems out there, I won't be taping that one. So there, I just finished checking the front end, and it was good shape, nice and clean. The oil was nice and clean, no signs of any water. So then the differential oil, oftentimes you just never think about it, right? You only check it maybe every other year, or maybe every year. You should really check it every year, depending on how often you use your bike, because if you're in and out of mud puddles and water bog and things like that, you know, you could get some contamination into it. So check your differential oil. That's always a good thing to do. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Click like, click subscribe, thumbs up, me too. That would be kind of neat. And thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you.